Okay, so this is my AWS console. I've already logged in to save some time. You can see the services. When I click on services, you can see the number of services that AWS has to offer. And they keep doing it all the time. They keep on increasing their services, fine-tuning their services all the time. And you can see, I've chosen a region, London. It's left to me. Wherever I want to provision machines here, yeah, I choose this region, London. Right. And the first point where I start is that I need to have my own private cloud. The moment I log in, I see a service, I go to the virtual private cloud section. You can see something AWS has already created for me, and the entire setup is ready. So all I need to do is, if I want to provision a Linux machine, I'll walk you through how a Linux machine is provisioned. The virtual machine is not called a virtual machine. It is called Elastic Compute Cloud or a EC2 instance. I just go to the EC2 instance and launch an instance. So what I see is the self-service portal. Now you can see everything in action. I have a free tier checkbox, which I click here. I select Amazon Linux or Red Hat Linux. If your boys are doing Red Hat Linux program, they want to practice, ask them to do it here. I select one of the Linux machines. You can see that there is a free tier eligible machine available. All the others are charged. So you get to know that what is free and what is charged. Select the number of machines you want. And you don't have to do much. It's already there. All your network settings are there. Default, it'll have some storage. If you want to store something more, add to it, but please be wary of the free tier. Just go ahead, review, and launch. So it'll ask you to create for secure access what is called as a key pair. This has the public-private key pair. Let me call it the key pair MGR. I will download this because this is what I will use to access this virtual machine. Once I'm done, because without this I cannot decrypt and the password will not work. I'll launch the instance. That's it. No virtual machine creation, no installation of operating system. It's all selection. I select the size, I select the operating system, and I say, hey, please deploy it for me in the private cloud that was present by default. So you can just wait, relax, and it'll be done. It'll be ready. 2 minutes. It'll perform some, once after installing, it'll perform some status checks. It'll say it's provisioned. Then all I need to do is, I need to find out how to connect that Linux machine. It is done via SSH, secure shell. When I use a secure shell, I will have to use this key that I downloaded. You click on connect, it will show you how that is done. So I'll borrow this. I'm now logged into the Linux machine. That's it. I provisioned right in front of you in the last 5 minutes. I provisioned the Linux machine in the Amazon cloud and I've logged in here. If you're able to see my screen, you can see that. Right. So I've logged in. So this is a small demo of how easy it is to access.